Rural Hondo is just advancing along with the rest of the world. Our school is now a PTEC school. We do have a lot more opportunities. It helps the students in figuring out our future. So being able to do things like what we did today, I think are just very beneficial for everyone overall, because we are building a foundation that is going to further advance our school beyond anything that people who have gone here before have seen.
If it wasn't for this event, I wouldn't have known about these opportunities. It's really important that we are learning new things as we go in school. I'm gonna leave learning about coding and knowing how to do games and robots and all of that stuff that I didn't know coming here today. This opportunity is real nice, and it's nice to have.